Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening a reliable market page for the stock you want. Type the ticker into the site's search box and load the quote summary. This gives you live price and key stats. Once the quote loads, scan the basic quote panel for a labeled volume number. This is today's trading volume. If you see two volume fields, use volume for daily shares traded versus AVG. Volume for typical daily activity. Make sure the market session indicator matches your time zone. Once you spot the number, interpret what it means. You want today's volume to know how many shares traded during the current session, and AVG. Volume to compare typical activity. If volume is much higher than average, that signals stronger interest or news-driven trading. If lower, liquidity may be thin. Make sure to note unit abbreviations like K or M so you don't misread one. 2M as 1, 2K. Also check the exchange and timestamp to confirm the data is current. Finish by verifying the volume reading and taking one quick action. Refresh the page or app to capture the latest intraday change. If numbers look off, cross-check a second reputable site or your broker. Differences often come from delayed feeds or different exchange aggregations. If volume still seems missing, confirm the exchange is open or that you aren't viewing pre-market data only. One troubleshooting tip: clear cache or restart the app to resolve stale or cached quote displays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.